guys, so today I'm going to be opening the Lumberjack card expansion set, which has a total of like 5 cards, and there's a chance to get the ultimate rainbow rare big forehead man. Oh my god. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so I have the pack right here, and I'm going to open it. Oh my god!
A minute.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty exciting, but right now, let's see what else we have. Oh my god, rainbow rare Lumberjack right there, man! Do you see that? You see that little tiny imperfection right there? That means that it's ultimate rainbow rare! Okay, let's move on. Oh my god! Okay, we have to calm down. But guys, do you see this right here? Let me just focus my stupid camera. Okay, do you guys see that right there? What's behind it? Pokemon card unboxing version 5.5 million 27, and I hope you like watching. If you thought my luck was unreal, then you should hit the like button, and if you thought it was real, you should also hit the like button. Actually, challenge, can you hit the like button in 5 seconds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now hit the subscribe button. Oh!